Hi. Today, my student and I talked about inequality signs. Today, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about these equality signs, what they represent, and how to use them. Now, as you can see, we have three main different inequality signs. There is this sign, which is the less than sign. We have this sign, which is the greater than sign. And the last sign you should all recognize. It is the equal sign, equal to. Now, the equal to sign is quite easy to comprehend, so let's start with that. Let's say I have two numbers. I have the number 9 and I have the number 9. So these numbers are the same. They equal the same. That's why we have the equal sign in between. 9 is not bigger than 9, nor smaller than 9. Another example of this in a little bit of a more practical situation, because you're not really is in an equation, because you're not really going to see 9 equals 9 anywhere, because that's just common knowledge. Instead, you might see something like this: x equals 4 plus 5. Now, you know that x is the equal. You know that this sign with the two lines on top of each other is the equal to sign. So, you know that x is the same as 4 plus 5. Okay? So, now that you know that x is the same as 4 plus 5, in order to solve for x, which you will have to do in algebra, you need to find 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, x would equal 9. Now let's go over the less than sign. Now, the less than and greater than signs are both used to compare numbers or inequalities. Let's say I have the number 5 and I have the number 10. Now, we all know that 5 is less than 10. But in math, we don't really like to use a lot of words when we are writing, so we would use a sign. And the specific sign we would use is the less than sign. This is a triangle with the vertex or the corner of the triangle pointing towards a smaller number. I also like to think of the triangle as a mouth. The mouth is the open side of the triangle, and we are greedy, so we always want to eat the bigger thing. And since 10 is bigger, our mouth is opening towards a 10. If we have 20 and we have 15, the mouth would still open towards the bigger number, but we would be using the greater than sign because 20 is greater than 15. So we would point the mouth towards the 20. So, because 20 is bigger and we are greedy. This is the greater than sign and this is the less sign, and this is how they are used. Thank you.